The Sufi Kathak Foundation is a non-profit registered society to create awareness about India's intangible heritage in music, dance, and preserve the gradually fading Sufi traditions in music. We at the Foundation believe in creating a world of cultural unity by spreading the secular message of the Sufi saints. We work to preserve these living traditions for the future generations by bringing them closer to their roots and entail a sense of belongingness to the region's culture through our concerts, festivals, and research based projects like detailed seminars and symposiums to debate and discuss traditions by experts, keeping the roots and mystical traditions in their purest form. Sufi Kathak Foundation has been organizing such cultural initiatives since its inception in 2008 in collaboration with central and state government organizations, public and private sector units. These initiatives have also established a milestone in preservation of cultural symbols and set new benchmarks for promoting secular thought by weaving together different traditions in a single thread. Our festivals, such as Chirag-e-Dehli and Mehboob-e-Ilahi, unravel the living mystical traditions and narrate the stories of the 22 Khwajas around the capital, whereas Ibadat, the Qawwali festival series, provides a platform for the traditional and marginal Qawwali musicians located across various smaller towns and villages in India. We at the Foundation are also driven to preserve these intangible and endangered traditions by restoring and digitizing them and creating a detailed archive of recordings, documents, and photographs to be available for the purpose of listening and research to scholars, musicians, and interested public. Sufi Kathak Foundation is currently working to preserve the age-old tradition of Qawwali in a new modernized digital format through our project titled the Qawwali Heritage Museum that maintains an audiovisual archive of recordings that provide an easy to understand description and classification of Qawwali compositions based on poets, rag, and tal. The first of its kind museum of intangible heritage of Qawwali presents and offers a preview of some of the collection through the website of the Qawwali Museum. We also help in initiating children and orienting the youth to become self-employed through arts, dance, and music by giving them scholarships to pursue cultural traditions under various schemes. At present, there are 4 young promising students who have benefited from these above schemes. Among these, Muhammad Saif, the son of traditional Qawwal Afzal Hussain from Lucknow, is learning the art of Dholak. Bashar Hassan is another promising student who has received an annual scholarship for learning Hindustani vocal music and is now a regular performer with Qawwali groups that are supported by the foundation. Sufi Kathak Foundation also supports needy retired artists by providing medical support and monthly basic pension under the schemes. A total of 5 aged and retired musicians have benefited under these schemes. Kafil Hussain, a Qawwali musician who performs in Lucknow, was the first beneficiary under the scheme who was supported for his bypass surgery by the foundation. Zarina Begum, the last living court singer from Awadh, today battles from poor health owing to poverty and is one of the beneficiaries and has been supported under the schemes of the foundation. In a unique effort, the Sufi Kathak Foundation plans to initiate a medical insurance scheme for musicians and artists, through which needy artists and their families, such as those mentioned previously, will be supported for medical aid. We at Sufi Kathak Foundation, through our various initiatives, strive to protect and preserve the traditional arts and artists of the country and continue to dedicate our efforts to bring the tradition and the modern a step closer towards each other. To support Sufi Kathak Foundation towards its activities, please contact us at www.sufikathakfoundation.com, or you could email us at sufikathakfoundation@gmail.com or sufikathak.office@gmail.com. All donations and support to Sufi Kathak Foundation are exempt from tax under Section 80G.